Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's 4 am and I am all set to start my journey from Bangalore to Antaragange, which is in Kolar, for exciting trekking adventure. Before you plan to go Antaragange, make sure to book your trekking ticket at least 2 days advance. You can do this from official website ananyavihar.karnataka.gov.in. Now, I just reached the entry gate of Antaragange. From here, I need to climb around 350 steps to get the trekking gate, and if I go 500 steps, then I reach the Shivaya temple. Now I reached the trekking gate. Here they check your ticket and ID proof before allowing you to start the trekking. This trek is famous for beautiful blend of rocky trail trekking and cave experience. This is perfect for nature lover and adventure seeker. Let's start the trek, explore the rocky trail and the beautiful view along the way. Make sure to follow the arrow sign along the way. They will guide you through the correct trekking path. Now I am in a cave. Inside the cave, there is only one way to find your path. Look for the arrow and follow their direction carefully. Inside the cave, it's really scary. There is no sunlight at all. We are trying to find the arrow and follow them carefully. There is no proper way back. So, once you enter, you either find your way or return from the starting point. At this point, we got stuck. There were no arrow mark to guide us. After about 15 minutes of searching, we finally found the way near the last exit. Now, I reached the top viewpoint. From here, you can see the entire Kolar city and enjoy a truly beautiful panoramic view. I hope you enjoyed exploring this track and cave experience through this video and got to know about this hidden gem. I have explained everything in detail, so that when you visit, you won't have to worry. This video will guide you from start to finish. If you still have any question or feel something missing, feel free to connect with me. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and subscribe to Tech Travel with Mac for more video and information. See you in next adventure.